Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create Threads account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and download the Thread application into your device. It will be available on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just simply tap on the Threads application. And after that, guys, once you open it up, you should be able to see here your Instagram accounts. So guys, in order for you to create your Thread account, just simply go ahead and select your Instagram account. And after that, the Thread will make your account. And after that, from here guys, just simply select whether you want a private profile or public profile. So it will pretty much be depending on you. So I'm going to go for public profile and tap on continue. And from here, guys, I can follow the same accounts that I follow on Instagram. So you can just simply tap on follow all. And from here, just simply read the terms and agreement and just simply tap on join threads down below. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.